Alright, we're gonna doorbell this. These little kids are. Go, go, go. We're gonna hide in the bushes.
Me too.
Who's gonna do it?
What? Come on.
All of you go.
Come on.
All of you guys go.
Huh?
All of you.
No, me and you, son.
Me and no, I already did it. It's you guys.
Okay, come on, guys. Don't do that.
Bill!
Yes or no? Go. Hey, do knock on the roof. Guys, we're not ready yet. Hey, Kiki, come here. Where are we gonna be? Right here. We're gonna hide right here.
No.
Who's gonna knock on you?
You guys are.
We are?
All of you.
Okay. Come on.
You guys don't hide back here. Run that way.
Does he have a gun or something? It's okay. No, I'm just gonna hide right here. No.
Wow, Houston, don't be a girl.
I'm just gonna hide right here. That's why. Come. Huh? Come. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna hide right here and then we're going. Oh shit, the black lady.
So who cares?
They know each other.
Just go do it. Who cares?
They know each other.
You do? So? Setting up the camera. Don't miss anything. Here they go. Here they go. They opened it. Keep running.
They were sure to come up to you guys.
What shooty kids coming out?
It's them!
Ready?